Alright, back to cleaning my closet. So these three shelves right here, you can see are all Coach purses. I'm not even going to sort through them. I know they're all Coach purses, so I'm going to leave as is. Wait a minute. I don't think that top one is a Coach purse. Alright, wait a minute. I think I'm wrong. I think these are wannabes. Alright, yeah, these are wannabes. That one says J. That one, I'm not for sure. I don't think that is a Coach. I'm actually probably going to keep that because that is a J. Because, you know, my name is Jenny. So this is just a wannabe Coach. So get rid of this. Alright, so this one, see, I put a couple stuff away. So here are my Louis Vuittons up here. Here are my other name brands. These are Coaches. My idea is to have the rest of these. Okay. I want all the Coaches in one section. And stuff's falling on my purses there. Let's see. Is this a Coach dust bag or a Louis Vuitton? That is the Louis Vuitton because I still have my everyday Louis. Oh, let's see what we got here. No, I don't need that. Sell that. I thought these were Coaches. This is an old generic purple one. Ooh, I should join a basketball team. This is a ladybug. Look at that. Yep. And then this is just a vintage something. This is like one of those bags that probably had Bath and Body in it. This is just a pink snake print. So this is just a little bag. Okay, perfect. But these I can tell, those are all Coaches. So let me see if I can fit. This is a Coach too. What Coach is this one? Oh, my brow. I do like that one. I remember when Robert bought me that one. That is a nice one. I think I'm going to somehow squish those four in there. Give me a moment. I need 2 hands for this. Alright. I finished putting the Coach up there. So then these 3 shelves are all Coaches. And then that shelf is Coaches. And I still have to. I'm going to go through all these shelves. This of jeans I'm leaving as is, and like I mentioned before, I'm not even going to touch the top row push. They're all, maybe another day, but they're all like, have some sort of meaning. So now, just going to take this Coach bag, and take out all these little coin purses, and I don't know, see which ones I want to keep. That one's cute, but I don't really, let me just take them all out. They're all like, I don't think any of them are name brand. I think they're all just like generic wallets that I pick up because, I don't know, why not? I need to quit buying so many small wallets. It's a hat. Oh, that's a Disney one. I can sell that one. I don't even know why I have that hat. I don't know why I have half this stuff. That's a watch case. Sorry, let me shut that door. It kept hitting me. Pretty sure none of these wallets are any name brand. So, oh wait, this is actually, hold on one second. This is the purse charm that goes with that. So let me just dump that in there. And then vintage case. Oh, shelling bag. You can tell I like to, I guess it's also a laundry bag. I use them as shelling bags. Oh my god. Coin purses, coin purses. I think this was what? A Coach. Oh, this is a Coach Kindle case. When Kindles were smaller. Oh, that was my Coach stuff. Let's see. I'm going to sort through all these coin purses later. I'm just removing them from this shelf because whichever ones I keep. Oh, this is another Coach wallet. Whatever coin purses I keep, I'm going to find like a smaller basket container. Alice in Wonderland. That still has the freaking tag on it and everything. Glasses. I gotta keep those. Oh, this is a coin purse. Oh, I have had this for 30 years. And this is one of those waterproof bags. I don't know. I've never even used it. I bought it. You can still see I've never even used it. But I am going to the beach in June. Maybe I'll finally use it. Who knows? Alright, so all this stuff will be sorted through. I'm going to take it into my office and sort through it. This is like a Chinese like fan someone gave to me as a gift. And then this is a box that, you know, I like boxes. This was my also one, and my wallet came in that. So keep that. Alright, let's see. Wallet, don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, this is, oops, this is a Dooney and Bourke. Dooney and Bourke Haunted Mansion, Disney. So this is going to be my Dooney and Bourke Disney shelf. So put that there. This is, alright, let me open that door. Let's see. Don't really want that. This is a gift from Holly. Keep that. This was a gift from Holly. She does love getting me unique purses. I think I'm going to have a shelf of just gifts from Holly. These are business cards. Shove that in there. This is an egg. I have no idea. Don't know what. More coin purses. Okay. And then these are all, what is that? Vera Bradley. And then, oh my god, I made this purse. This is another purse I made in my crafty days. And then so let's see. That's just a cruise thing. And then I made this. Yep, when I was in college, I took loom weaving. So that's a keeper. That's memories right there. I don't really care about that one. Let me just throw that one away. All right, let's see what we got over here. All right, so this top shelf is like a vintage handkerchief box, and it's just got handkerchiefs. Oh my goodness. Okay. These are all from childhood stuff. This is, my brother was in Boy Scouts, so I'm sure I have some of his Boy Scout patches. But this I'm going to keep. The rest of them I don't care about. This I'm keeping. These are old dirty gloves. And you're like, who cares, Jenny? I was a flag girl in high school. I twirled flags, and then, you know, like when bands march and those girls that twirl the flags in the front, these were my gloves. I'm keeping those. But the rest of the stuff I can get rid of. Rid of that. I gotta keep them. Memories right there. This was probably perfume bottles, gift from husband, so I'll keep that. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. Oh, and I bought this recently. Look at this. This is a Beetlejuice makeup bag, so definitely keeping that. I'm just sticking them on random shelves for now. I'm going to organize it better once I'm done going through. So this I bought recently. I'm definitely keeping that. You know I love Disney, so this is like a Disney Dole Whip. So I gotta find a shelf that it will fit on. And then, let's see. This is a Maleficent makeup bag. Don't really need that. I have tons of makeup bags. Get rid of that. This, ooh, there's another Haunted Mansion Dooney and Bourke. I knew I had more than one. I have a black one and a purple. Go up there. And then this is a Disney Coach. Keeping that. And then this is a Disney Small World. Keeping that. Oh wait, let's not even like, we're going to ignore this whole wall right here. This is the back of the door. It is a disaster. I got all kinds of crap hanging off of it. Belts. This is a purse. This is a Harvey purse, but it's Star Wars Shag from Disney. This is hilarious. See this bag? This is a clear bag of all these like random ribbons. This is like 20 years of random ribbons from gifts from people. I know, I'm crazy. Crazy. I don't even know what's on here. I'm gonna have to go through that. Just not right now. Too much. I'll leave it as is. Belts, scarves, a couple purses, Robert's, and the ties for when he was a CFO. So those are Robert's ties. See, these are Robert's dress shoes for when he has to dress up. So where's his blues hat? I know he had a blues hat. That was his. That's his small shelf right here. That's all he gets. Oh, this is probably his hat too. Hot chocolate hat. I'll put the hats right here. Let's see. This is a gift from Holly. Alright. Gift from Holly. Oh my god. How many Maleficent purses do I have? See, that's the thing. I like something and I tend to buy it over and over. Empty box, don't need that. Get rid of that. And then bag, don't need that. This is just like a little, you know, a little fancy dancy purse for when you don't really want a big purse. There you go. Just put that right there. And then I think this was a gift from Holly. This is a cake thing. I can't believe I kept it. I'm throwing this away. So this is like, you know, every birthday my husband, we go out of town, and he always finds someone to bake me a cake. So this is one of those trips. He had someone bake me a cake and I kept it. I don't really need it. I will be throwing that away too. Okay. And this is an old jewelry box. Old jewelry box. That one I am keeping. It seems full. I just have to find a different spot for it. So this is a, what's that? Long burger. My mom got me that, so I'm keeping that. This is my prom purse from the 90s. Oops, I'm gonna drop that. Oh. Ow, don't drop it on my feet. Okay, this is my prom purse. Totally keeping that. And then this is just, I don't know. I don't need that. I don't know, some weird Indian metal purse I really don't need. That can be sold. But I gotta keep the prom purse because of memories. And then another Mickey Coach, keeping that. Oh my god, this more. Alright. What is this? I don't know. These are like jewelry boxes. Empty jewelry boxes. And then my sister got me this. Oh yeah, definitely gonna need a shelf of first gifts from Holly. Alright, so I got through all those shelves. Let me just go. I haven't even touched this. That's gonna be a whole separate video. I think I'm gonna have to end this for now. So I went through all the purses. Next video, I'm gonna finish that. I'm gonna finish these 4 shelves, and then I'm done. I'm done for now. I'm not tackling the door this time, and I'm not tackling all the plush. That'll just have to be another day, because this is more than enough. And I'm gonna keep the floor clean so I can walk in here, and I will show you once I reorganize all the purses. But oh my god, enough. I cannot believe how much crap I have. I really cannot believe how many purses I had and how many I'm getting rid of. I just don't use them all. I use, you know what I'm saying? I use like 5 or 6. But I can't get rid of the memory ones. I love, Holly, if you're watching this, don't stop buying me purses. I love every single purse you buy me. Don't be like, oh, she has too many. No, keep buying me purses, Holly. I love the unique purses you get me. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.